What's up, y'all? Starting today off in a hard body. So I was on my way down to the shop and I got a text from Damien saying that there happens to be a 4-door E46 M3 of some sort at the junkyard, and it has a CSL sedan trunk on it, which is badass, and everything looks in good condition, and it's there. So we are running down there before anyone else touches and ruins a car, and hopefully score some parts off of B's car. So we're rushing. Fingers crossed everything's still there and untouched, because hopefully we can get a kick-ass deal on some badass parts for Brian's E46. It's a good way to start the day. And I got my Uber in the hard body.
Oh yeah.
So all Damien sent me was this photo, and the car looks like it's in good shape. Now it has a CSL trunk and it has an M3 rear bumper, but it's a sedan, which is weird because I don't think they made a 4-door M3. I guess we'll have to wait and find out. Boys, we're in. I see it. Come on. Yes, the trunk is still on it. All right, see it. The trunk is still on it. Let's go. Now let's see what's actually wrong with this thing. Okay, Laguna Seca Blue. Damn, look at that M3 front destroyed. It's alright though, because the trunk's still here, but the trunk is still here. I mean, it doesn't look, it's not broken anywhere somehow. This car is kind of a piece of shit. Yes, dude, the trunk is still here. Look at this thing, it's mint. It was definitely a fiberglass trunk, but who cares? These things are still like $800 online, so we're gonna get this for B, and it's gonna look badass. Huh, they like widened it and everything. Dude, look how weird this is. It's like widened and everything. It's like a full M3 convert or what?
Well, it's got the M dash too.
Does it really? Yeah. Does it have a S54 in it? Is there an engine in it?
Yeah, it does.
That's not an S54.
It's got an engine, but I'm saying.
Oh, okay. So yeah, it's not an M3 obviously, but they did a cool job like converting it. I guess, yeah. Damn, they widened the shit out of this thing. All right, somehow we managed to get it open. It's been forever. I had to kick this thing open. You could tell that someone has previously tried to open this trunk and didn't have the luck what we're having. And they messed it up pretty good, but I think we can probably get it for like 40 bucks. We're gonna get it for 40 bucks. And we'll see if Brian thinks it's worth fixing. I think he could fix it, but as you can see, it's fully separated down here from someone just prying on it so much, but I think, I don't know, I'll let B make the call. I'm gonna risk the 40 bucks, make the trip worth it, but still cool. It sucks that like nothing else on this car is like salvageable. That's what sucks about pick and pull, is that like people come here and pick one part and destroy everything around it. And so like, if you don't come here the day it gets here, it sucks. But props to whoever like fully M3 converted this thing besides the drivetrain, because like widened quarters, it's pretty cool. Alright. It's a damn shame someone put this much work into a freaking 325i. But I mean, whatever. That's you. What's up, guys? So if you can't tell, it's the next day. So I was editing the video that you're watching right now, right here, and I realized half of the audio clips right in the middle of the video are just dead. Huge pain in the ass, but I don't want this video to waste, so you guys have something to watch today. So just a quick update on what happened in between the middle. We got the trunk from B. I ended up scoring it for 50 bucks, which is sick. The guy wouldn't budge on 100, but I got him down. Really happy on that. So 50 bucks, I would consider it a score. There's slight damage on the trunk underneath that I wasn't able to show. I don't think that will show later on, so you'll see it. But I was waiting on a very important package to show up yesterday, and of course, it didn't come in. Just my luck. So didn't end up getting too much done yesterday, but we ended up finally getting Wi-Fi down at the shop, which I felt there's need to share just because I know a lot of you might think it's stupid, but it's actually a pretty big deal, so I'm pretty excited. So we got that, and I got myself a little desk, and really exciting. So let's get back to the video, and I hope you guys still enjoy it. This was like the only like small desk they had. We're gonna see how small this thing is compared to my long ass, but hopefully it's not too bad, dude. I know. Hopefully my legs will even fit in here. Oh shit. We got Wi-Fi?
We got Wi-Fi.
Yes.
Ripping too. Oh yeah.
I ain't giving no one the password. Hell yeah. This
Best shot mod yet.
best shot mod yet.
We're good.
Finally got this damn desk built. I know it's very interesting, but I had to show you guys. Continuing on the loft progress. Bitchin' desk. This thing was $40. All right, guys, I'm not balling out too hard today, but I got myself a cheap little desk. We're good to go. Get the laptop going out here. You guys know we have the NB Miata right here, right-hand drive one. I told you forever ago that we were gonna turbo it, and I've been waiting. Getting the kit has the kit was actually out of stock for the longest time, and it just came in stock basically as soon as I ordered all the Jay-Z parts. So literally, like, the turbo kit, which was like the boost in the Miata, was supposed to be like the whole thing to do until we had the Jay-Z stuff. It's coming in with the Jay-Z stuff, so we're gonna have a lot of stuff to do after this, and I'm really excited. But right now, dude, I'm upset because we have.
Sounds good.
It looks like we ain't doing shit down here, but we always grinding. You guys know. Okay, B's here.
Hey guys.
What's up, homie? So, we got the trunk.
Yeah.
I know you're excited.
I am excited. This is sweet.
I know you were bugging. I caught him on his lunch break and told him he was bugging out. So.
Yeah, I mean, seriously, this is a crazy find. I can't believe we were talking about, even Garrett said it, like, there's lots of CSL trunks out there, or fake CSL or replica or whatever, but they're never on sedans. The fact that you're gonna find a sedan in a pick and pull junkyard and it hasn't already been pulled was crazy.
So tell him what makes a CSL trunk, because I kept saying the whole word. And
well, they're number one, they're either fiberglass or carbon, but it also has this little duckbill
that whole
spoiler.
thing. So I know you guys are probably like, God, it's not rare. So it's not rare. You could just buy it online, but they're not common for people to buy them, and which makes them rare around these parts.
They're so expensive too. Like, you're gonna spend a lot of money on that, and a lot of times, if you don't get the whole trunk, you'll get like a mold-on spoiler, and then you have to do everything yourself.
All right, B. So you're the body guy. We got it for $50, which is pretty sick.
Yeah, crazy deal.
So
I mean, these things are like 600 brand new
before shipping.
Before shipping.
So now it's your time to go through it and say, was it worth it? And look at the body damage and see how hard it's gonna be for you to repair it.
Yeah, I mean, to be honest, it's not like it's too crushed anywhere. The worst is over here, by the hinge.
Here, flip this stitch over. Here, you can put it on the box. All right, so this is probably the worst of it.
Yeah.
But it didn't separate, it just kind of cracked, which is good. So you don't
I think it's the top here, really, that's kind of pushed up. So I'll have to get in here and dig all this crap out and clean it up and try to repair all this fiberglass.
And then this is the big one.
Yeah, and back here, the same thing, which this looks like it comes together pretty nice, even just by holding it with pressure. So I can repair all this.
How much do you think it's gonna cost you? Without
How much
paint?
will it cost me
Yeah.
to fix all this?
Yeah.
Before paint, probably, yeah, I don't know, like $30.
Okay, I'm cool with that.
So, yeah, no, I think I can get this thing all done and painted for.
It's gonna look so out of place on your car though, because your car is like pretty stock body. We're like, why would this kid spend so much money on this damn trunk?
Yeah, no, it's gonna be a weird flex.
Weird flex, but okay, hot boy flex.
Yeah, but you don't know. Yeah, I mean, most people aren't gonna know where it came from. You guys will, because you guys will know that this. You guys will know that this was a piece of crap, but I fixed it up. So it's awesome.
Perfect B-Haul special.
Yes.
I literally had to kick this thing off the car. It was pretty brutal, but I'm pumped. There we go. So,
Sick. Awesome.
more parts for you. E46 coming together.
Heck yes.
Hydro coming soon.
Yes, Hydro is coming soon. I'm definitely gonna pick one of those up, and we'll install that on the channel for you guys to see.
And me and B will be bashing fenders pretty soon.
Yes, I'm gonna put it in Jimmy's door and make him fix it.
Let me know.
Okay, I'm cool with that. We can change the rolls up. So, I think that's it for today. So, we're still on the part waits, but I'm excited. We got a lot of work ahead of us, and I don't know. Cool little Saturday. We got the Wi-Fi down here, which is huge, and I know it probably sounds stupid, but screw it. B, we're gonna end it here. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. And B,
Have a great night, guys.